guys, welcome to my first tutorial. Well, if you are Pakistani student and if you are searching for an amazing opportunity that calls you abroad, then I guess you are watching the right video. Well, today I'll be interviewing Mr. Avinash Kantia, who is basically from Pakistan, but right now enrolled in one of the high universities of Europe on a fully funded scholarship provided by Hungarian government. In this video, he'll guide us how to apply and who can apply, what is the criteria, and there are so many queries that are going to remove by this video. So do not miss any part of this video. Do watch till the end. And yeah, here you go. Hello,
Sure.
Mr. Avinash. How are you?
I'm doing really well. What about you?
I am also good. Well, how was your day?
Yeah, it is just the start of the day, so I hope that all goes good for the day. And what about your day?
Well, I had to do so many things, so it was a bit tiring day. Well,
Oh, yeah,
yeah,
Mondays are always tiring for students.
yeah, very tiring. Well, would you like to brief our guests about yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Avinash Kantia. I am a Stipendium Hungaricum scholar, and I am currently studying at Business Administration and Management at University of Pécs in Central Europe, Hungary.
Why did you choose business or pharmacy?
Yeah, I was studying in pharmacy to choose business over here because I was not that good at pharmacy and I was much more interested in this business field. And also, I heard so much good things about business from my cousin and other my friends too. And my cousin, who is already studying here and at a scholarship, he urged me to apply for this scholarship. So that was also motivation for me. And one more thing that I choose business over here, that University of Page, in which I am currently studying, that they offer a dual degree program for business administration and management. So these all was a good motivation for me to choose business over pharmacy.
How did you get there? Was it easy to get the scholarship or did you have to face any problems in the starting?
Yeah, there was some problems in the starting during the form submission. As I was studying pharmacy, and that was my second semester. But after that, as the pandemic started, so universities got closed, and I got a good time to start
Yeah.
uh, preparing for my interviews and also for my entrance exams. So in the start, it was a bit tough, but then I think it was smooth for me to be here. It was not that tough to get here for me.
Yeah. Well, I want to ask, is this opportunity worth or not?
Yeah, this is a fully funded scholarship, and which covers that tuition fees. It also provides health insurance, accommodation allowance, monthly stipend, a big stipend. So I think that this opportunity works for a student, and also that
Okay. So, do you refer other students to apply for this scholarship?
Yeah,
And
I recommend other students to apply for this opportunity if they are interested to study abroad with students from different parts of the world. If they are interested to explore different cultures, different languages, different countries, as being in any part of the Europe, they get a resident card, so they can visit more than 26 countries. So this is a big opportunity for them, and also they get a chance to study in one of the best universities of the Europe.
well, the students who are applying, what will you refer them? Should they completely rely on this scholarship or should they side by side apply on anything else?
No, I never recommend any student or any my colleague that to rely on only one opportunity, because there are many other opportunities worth applying for. So they should keep applying at other places too until they get admission at a good place, at a better place they are
Yeah.
interested in. Yeah, they no one should rely on only one opportunity ever.
Well, you chose business and except business, how many other fields do your program offers?
Yeah, there are many fields related to arts and humanities, economic sciences, medical and health sciences, computer sciences, social sciences, and also many other fields. And one can find these on HEC websites. These are worth applying for, and on completion of successful studies, and successful completion of their studies, they get a degree that is accepted all over the world. So there are really good good measures to apply for.
That's nice. You don't have to give a test in Pakistan to approve your degree here.
No, I don't think so. Only engineering students that they were worried about this because PEC, Pakistan Engineering Council, uh, they has not accredited Hungarian universities, so they were having problems on the past few years. But this year, HEC hasn't announced a scholarship for engineering for any engineering program, so not to be worried about this thing too for now.
Uh, Fine. So, means MDCAT students can apply for this scholarship without any doubts.
Yeah, yeah, sure. They will get a better life ahead, and they will get better opportunities abroad in
Well,
Europe.
can you tell us? Yeah. Well, can you tell us that how can you apply for this scholarship and what is the procedure step by step?
Yeah, sure. As this scholarship is a bilateral program between Pakistan and Hungarian government, so everyone who wants to apply, they have to make two profiles, one on HECE portal and other on Dream Apply portal of Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship. So on HECE portal, they just have to make their profile, then they have to submit their required documents, and after filling up a challan of paying challan of 500 rupees, they can submit their application on HCP portal. And on the other side, on Stipendium Hungaricum portal, they can easily apply with this same process. They just have to choose two universities, two majors they want to apply for. And then the same process, make their profile, required documents, complete the required documents, and they can submit their application without any fees. That is free of cost.
That's nice. That's nice. Well, when they get selected in this procedure, what else they have to do in the next step?
Yeah, there are many next. There are a lot of steps ahead. Because after HEC gets HEC nominates their list, and then universities there and they have chosen, and they take their entrance exams, they take their interviews. After that, they get um, award letter or acceptance letter from university and scholarship program. Then they have to apply for the visa, and also they have to um, verify their documents from IBCC, HEC, and other departments in Pakistan. So there are a lot of steps, and that makes this all the process a bit lengthy.
How much lengthy is the whole process?
As the scholarship is announced in December, and classes commence from the first week of the September, so it takes about 8 months to get here after
Eight,
applying.
8 months is a huge time. Well,
Yeah.
girls like me can apply for this scholarship.
Yeah, there are studying a lot of students, 1,000 plus Pakistani students, in which there are many girls too. Here in my university, in University of Paris, in Budapest, in other cities too. So I think they can apply. They are safe.
Okay. And how much stipend do you get by the European government?
We get about 250 euros per month by European Union, and that is enough to bear all our expenses, like accommodation, monthly expenses, living expenses for an individual to live in Hungary. So that's enough for us, I think. But don't think that we save any, any penny of it.
No,
Yeah,
it must be.
yeah.
Okay. I can understand.
Yeah, it is just
Well,
enough to afford our expenses here, living expenses, not any other expenses.
you don't no, you don't have to. You don't have to bother your father for your monthly stipends.
Yeah, yeah, we are like self-dependent for these four years.
That's
We just
that's nice.
we get two tickets. Um, one at the time of when we get here for the first time, and after completion of our degree, we get another free ticket from HEC. So
Well, have you discovered Hungary or Europe, any part, any country yet, or you
no,
are trapped in the lockdown?
no, I haven't discovered much here. I just visited Budapest, and here in Pets, I have visited some places. But due to pandemic, we can't move to any other country. We made some plans, but we have to be quarantined there. Then after coming back from there, we have to be quarantined here also. So we just omitted our plans, left our plans blank. We will move.
Yeah, health comes
We,
first. You are an
yeah.
ex-medical student. You must be knowing this importance.
Yeah, ex-medical and pharmacy student, then this is a much big thing for me.
Yeah, well, are you safe there? I mean, you don't have any fear that you are away from Pakistan?
No, no, I don't have any fear. There are many international students. And there are many Pakistani students also in my university. And I am living with my cousin here, and also I have some more friends. So I don't feel any insecurities. And my parents are also secure and satisfied about me.
Okay, so how can you ensure other students' parents to not to worry about the children while sending them to Europe or these scholarships?
Yeah, this is a completely safe country. They get a good stipend. There are many of the students, not only Pakistani, Indian, Sri Lankan, Bangladeshi, from the all over the from about 85 countries. So I all are sending their childs here, and there are many girls also studying here. So I don't think that parents should be worried
Yeah,
about this.
actually, Pakistani parents are a bit more possessive, for their children. So that's why I asked for.
Yeah, they are more possessive, but if they hear that here are many students studying already, so they won't be that worried about this. Yeah,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
yeah, it is a this process about 8 months, and they find a good connections with seniors and also other fellows, so they are not that much worried after they get here.
Okay. And do you miss Pakistan? My last
Uh,
question.
yeah, miss Pakistan a lot, uh, is because as it has never been easier for a child to stay away from their parents, from their family
You're
for
not
a
a
long
child.
time. Yeah, I'm not
Yep,
a child, but you will come to
yep,
know. You will come to know
yeah.
if you have studied for more than 4 years outside your country. You will come to know that you are a child or not. Yeah, I miss Pakistan a lot. I currently missed many um, special events like family marriages, family events, and also I missed
Mm.
our festivals like Diwali. Then I'm going to miss Holi, Rakhi. I don't know when I will be going back to Pakistan, and sooner or
Well,
later.
it's
So
been 4 months that you are there.
yeah, it has been more than 4 months.
Uh,
Uh, but because of pandemic, being stuck at one room, this things makes us miss more. This thing makes us miss Pakistan more.
well, when will you be back? Means, do you spend your vacations in Pakistan? Means, do you have any plan to come back, or you are fixed there for 4 years?
No, no, no. I will be coming back to Pakistan. Um, I'm planning to be there in May or in summer vacations, June and July for 2 months.
It's nice. Well, are you done with your exams? I'm sorry for
Mm,
disturbing you amidst your exams.
no, no, no. That's not a big deal. Yeah, I am done with my many of my exams, but there are two majors are remaining. So they are next week. Yeah. So I'm just preparing for
Best of
them.
luck for your exams.
Yeah, one more thing that for those students who are applying, you
Hmm.
should keep links to the description. and they can
Yep,
contact me.
I'll add.
They can contact me anytime.
Yep, I'll. Well, in the description, I'll add your FB profile link so that they can connect to you to ask
Sure,
you for any queries. And I'll
sure.
also add the link to the scholarships and HCC portal and all that you shared with me. Well,
Sure.
it will be a great help to the students who are willing to apply for this great opportunity. Once again, I don't know how to thank you for your time and for your efforts. Really,
No, no,
really thanks a lot.
no, no. Thank you for having me for this interview. It was really a good opportunity for me to come in front of the camera. I have. It was my first experience. I have never been in front of camera for any interview or anything like that. Any recorded thing that
Well,
people gonna watch to.
thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.
Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.
Have a good day. Okay, so if you have any queries, any questions that you have in your mind related to the scholarship, how to apply, and anything, you can ask in the comment section. And we have also given the link to Mr. Avinash Kantia's FB profile. You can contact him through his FB profile and ask him anything. He'll definitely guide you. And before you go, do not forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye. Take care.